Imagine two roads crossing in your town. The exact spot where they meet is one special point. Today we'll find where two equations meet on a graph. That meeting point is the solution. Simultaneous equations are two or more equations that share the same unknown values. Solving them means finding the x and y that make both equations true at the same time. To solve graphically, we plot both equations on the same axes. Where the graphs cross, that point gives us our solution. The x and y coordinates at the crossing satisfy both equations. Two straight lines can cross at one point, giving one solution. But a straight line and a curve can cross at 2 points, giving two solutions. Let us see both types. Example 1. Solve y equals 2x plus 1 and y equals negative x plus 4. First, make a table of values for each equation. For the first, when x is 0, y is 1. When x is 2, y is 5. Plot both lines. They cross at the point 1, 3. So the solution is x equals 1 and y equals 3. Read the coordinates carefully from the graph. Always check by substituting back. Example 2, a harder one. Solve y equals x squared and y equals x plus 2. The first equation is quadratic, so its graph is a curve called a parabola. We need more points to plot it accurately. The line cuts the curve at 2 points, negative 1, 1 and 2, 4, so we have two solutions. With linear quadratic, always look for two intersection points on your graph. Common mistake. Many students plot only 3 points for the quadratic and draw a wonky shape. Always plot at least 7 points for a curve. A smooth, accurate parabola gives you the correct intersection. Another trap. Reading the intersection carelessly. Examiners want accurate coordinates. Use a ruler and sharp pencil. If the point lies between grid lines, give your answer to 1 decimal place. Remember 3 steps. Plot both graphs, find where they cross, then read the coordinates. Plot, cross, read, that's all you need. For curves, use many points. For curves, use many points. For lines, 2 or 3 will do. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes, past questions and video tutorials. See you in the next lesson.